Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Sebastian, and today the video I wanted to make is actually a series that I want to start. This series will be called Food I Grew Up With. It's exactly how it sounds. I'm going to film my mom making a whole bunch of food that I grew up eating in hopes to kind of build a, I guess, video recipe book for all the nostalgic foods that I grew up eating. This first episode is going to be about kho jiok. What is kho jiok? Kho jiok is braised pork. It's actually a Vietnamese-inspired dish where they braise pork belly or any kind of pork really. It is usually paired with like hard-boiled eggs and tofu and really anything they can throw in there. For this series, I want to get as many videos as I can to kind of, I guess, expand out this giant library of food that is super nostalgic, super comfort food for me. So the first part of the video we did not record, so I'm actually just going to run down the recipe here and I'll have my mom take over with the rest. So here's what you're going to need for this recipe. You're going to need pork belly, tofu, eggs, onions of some sort, green onions, yellow onions, shallots if you got them. You're gonna need garlic, some fish sauce, soy sauce, sugar, salt and pepper, chili if you like it spicy. We do, so we'll add it. And the last ingredient, probably the harder one to find, would be some coconut soda. You can potentially sub this out with coconut juice, coconut water, maybe coconut milk. If you're allergic to coconuts, you can use like mushroom or chicken stock. Typically, when we make it, we'll use like, you know, almost a whole head of garlic. We like to use heavy aromatics. We're really huge on the aromatics, so we'll use a lot of them. We'll probably use like maybe anywhere from 8 to a dozen eggs. Keep in mind, this will probably, the ratios that I'm giving out will feed my family of 4 for like 2 days. So we're making quite a lot here, and you actually also don't need everything that I'm listing out. This is how we just grew up eating it, and for the rest of it, I'll let my mom take over.
中文咧就叫做炆豬肉。我哋買3磅嗰啲五花腩翻嚟，首先咧就攞盆水同埋啲鹽、啲醋、水3樣，洗咗油豬肉先，等佢冇有騷味。洗乾淨啦，咁我哋拎佢出水咯，即係煲熱水渌一渌過佢依嚿豬肉佢，渌完咧咁我哋就擎乾水啦，擎乾水咁切一嚿嚿咁咯。你中意幾大你就切幾大，隨你嘅意思啫。不過通常咧我切大嚿嘅，唔切細嚿。如果佢唔乾咧，就攞嗰啲廚房嗰啲 paper towel 啊，任乾佢啲水。咁咧3磅豬肉咧就俾呢個咖啡羹咧就1羹糖、1羹鹽、1羹雞精，俾啲胡椒粉落去，咁2湯匙嘅二爐水。咁我有俾嗰啲俾啲豬油啊，等佢有色，我俾少少落去，所以咁嘅顏色咯。佢黃黃地嘅，俾啲豬油落去醃一醃咗佢先。隨便啦，有啲人中意俾，有啲唔俾，等佢炆佢嗰陣時，佢變咗色，但係有時佢變得好淡。咁啲蒜頭咧，大約差唔多6粒或8粒咁樣，唔使整碎佢嘅。葱咧又係差唔多7、8條個葱頭咯，就係要個葱頭啫。紅葱就差唔多4、5粒啦。咁頭先我哋俾晒啲料落去啦，咁跟住我哋撈翻去醃佢。醃咗佢等過一晚夜，係咁多咯。依家等個鑊紅咗，等個鑊紅咗啦，唔使俾油㗎。個鑊熱咗啦，唔使俾油㗎，咁倒落去兜佢咯。倒咗落鑊咁炒到佢啲肉收縮埋啊！依家咧擺落個煲度啦，因為我個煲喺個鑊度炒完啦，我攞個煲嚟炆佢啊嘛。你可以攞個煲喺度兜都得，一陣唔使揈嚟揈去嘛，因為呢個煲黐煲，所以我唔用佢，要用個鑊。咁咧 就倒2罐呢啲落去啦，隨便你中意啦。我就倒2罐，我唔俾咁多椰青水，我倒2罐啲落去。你可以加多罐隨便。用一罐雞湯就夠啦，不過咁啱我有雞湯我用埋佢啫。俾雞湯俾水都得㗎啦。咁我見我有雞湯我用埋佢啦嘛。OK， 要浸過啲肉㗎。依家浸唔過咁啊，加翻啲水落去添啦。總之你
啱啦，用晒個嚿咁即裝啲水。
我有胡椒嘛，頭先醃咗肉仲有啲味喺度啊嘛。OK。咁啊，開猛火，等佢滾。好似都未浸過，加多少少水先。OK， 咁啊浸過啦。
喂，咁其他嘢點啊？
等佢滾咗，跟住就掉啲蛋落去咯。
啲豆腐咧？
豆腐一陣先掉，等佢奶滾上嚟，要撇掉咗啲泡。
可唔可以唔撇㗎？
唔可以啊，要撇咗，因為啲騷味啊，一定要撇咗泡啊。撇乾淨晒啦，跟住開慢火，開翻啦中火啦，中火慢慢燜佢咯。咁你撇乾淨，咁啊就掉啲雞蛋落去啦。煲到咁上下，我哋要校翻啲味啊，要試翻唔夠咧就加鹽鹵水咯。加翻鹽鹵水啊，或者加鹽啊，到時再試翻過㗎。咁我哋撇咗啲泡去咯，撇掉晒啲泡。有油咁啊，撇埋油咯，梗好多油出嚟㗎嘛，撇乾淨佢。撇埋啲油咯，好多肥油嘅呢啲，係咪？咁樣啊，減翻細火，因為滾咗上嚟啦，我哋減翻慢火啦，開始減翻去中火啦，慢慢燜佢。呢個食辣咧就俾2隻辣椒落去咯，俾辣椒落去咯，唔食辣就唔使俾咯。不過俾有時都唔辣嘅，撩下味啫，少少辣啫，唔係好辣。咁啊，依家我哋俾雞蛋啦，放啲雞蛋落去。唔使冚蓋噶啦，慢慢喺度燜到佢啲肉腍咯，慢火咁樣燜咯。
即係幾多鐘頭啊？
差唔多成個鐘㗎先得㗎。
哦，慢火成個鐘。
大概成個鐘㗎，慢慢燜到咁上下先俾豆腐喎。唔係你燜咁上下咧，你試咗味，如果啱味嘅話咧，就加豆腐落去，咁啊慢慢再燜佢啦。咁多。
I think you guys need a third contender.
Yeah. Give me third opinion.
The tiebreaker.
唔係甜啊，佢有啲鹹味㗎。佢話甜個頭邊度甜嘅。
又唔甜又唔係淡啊，大佬。
係啦。
嚟打即係 tiebreaker。
太多水嘅你。
唔係，慢慢。
煮佢耐啲就得咯。
係煮佢耐啲，你加翻啲味落去啊嘛。
而家放咗啲豆腐落去點啊？
得㗎啦，慢慢燜到嗰啲嘢入嚟就得㗎啦。咁你咁上下，咁你燜，通常燜啲頭一日冇咁好食㗎，第二日先好食㗎。
哦，咁如果燜耐啲唔？
燜耐啲，你唔想要咁多水，咪燜耐，等佢減啲水咯。